10 foods that decrease your chance of a heart attack. A heart attack, also known as myocardial infarction or MI, happens when the flow of blood to the heart muscle is suddenly cut off. There's nothing much you can do about it when it happens, but there's something you can do to decrease the chances of getting it. It's simple: a healthy diet. Diet plays an enormous role in heart health, which can affect your risk of a heart attack. In fact, certain foods can influence cholesterol levels, inflammation, and blood pressure, all of which are risk factors for heart disease. So, what food should you eat then? Nuts and seeds? Berries? Find out the answer in the next few minutes. Let's dive right in, shall we? Number 1. Berries. Berries of many kinds are loaded with important nutrients that play a major role in heart health. Berries are also rich in antioxidants that protect against inflammation and oxidative stress that contribute to heart disease. Number 2. Salmon. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, salmon can effectively keep clotting at bay and reduce blood pressure. As such, it can reduce the risk of dying of a heart attack. Salmon also has a powerful antioxidant called carotenoid astaxanthin. Number 3. Dark chocolates. Dark chocolates have tons of flavonoids, which help improve heart health. Eating them is also associated with a reduced risk of heart attack and heart disease. Go for high-quality dark chocolate with a cocoa content to get the most of its heart-healthy benefits. Number 4. Walnuts. According to a study, walnuts can greatly decrease bad cholesterol. Some studies found that eating walnuts regularly is linked with a lower risk of heart disease as well as a heart attack. Number 5. Olive oil. No wonder olive oil is a staple in the Mediterranean diet. It's jam-packed with heart-healthy nutrients. The antioxidants present in olive oil relieve inflammation and reduce the chances of getting a chronic disease. Moreover, a higher intake of it is associated with a lower risk of dying from a heart attack or disease. Number 6. Lean meats. Are you a meat lover? Satisfy your meat cravings with lean meats. It's a great source of nutrition with a decent amount of protein, iron, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids. Number 7. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are brimming with lycopene that has potent antioxidant properties. As such, eating them regularly can prevent oxidative damage and inflammation. Besides, low blood levels of lycopene are said to contribute to an increased risk of heart attack and stroke. Number 8. Beans. Beans consist of resistant starch, which according to studies can decrease blood levels of cholesterol and triglycerides. Several studies have also shown that eating beans can reduce certain risk factors for a heart attack, like inflammation, high cholesterol, and high blood pressure. Number 9. Barley. Barley is found to reduce the risk of coronary artery disease, and in turn, heart attack. Coronary artery disease is the narrowing or blockage of the coronary arteries. As a result, you may experience chest pain or a heart attack. Number 10. Oatmeal. An oatmeal a day will give your daily dose of omega-3 fatty acids, potassium, and folate. Plus, it's high in fiber and can lower levels of bad cholesterol. Oatmeal is said to also keep your arteries clean. In short, it can help decrease the chances of having a heart attack. Everyone must remember that what you put on your plate can influence practically every aspect of heart health. Include those 10 heart-healthy foods in your diet to keep your heart healthy. If you have a question or comment about this video, don't hesitate to leave one below.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.